WhatsApp chat backup with mobile data not working. When I go to turn on backup using cellular, it's showing an error. Wait for media to store before changing the settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, just go back and just click on storage and data. Now scroll down. From here you can see when using mobile data, just click on this option. From here tick mark all option, just click on OK. Now go back, click on chats again. Now scroll down, click on chat backup, restore your chats. Now click on resume and wait for completing the restoring process. After completing the restore process, now try to turn on backup using cellular and see problem solved successfully. In this way you can easily solve this problem. If you found any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.